How to make a business portfolio on Facebook. To get started, open up the Chrome browser on your phone. You can also use other browsers if you want. Go to business.facebook.com. Make sure to log into your Facebook business account if you aren't logged in already. You are now in your Facebook business page. You can edit and manage your account and its settings from here. Go to the top and tap on Business Portfolio as shown. From here, you can create a new portfolio to manage your profiles and the people who work on them in one place. Tap on Create a Business Portfolio. Fill in the required details over here such as portfolio name, your name, contact and more. Once you're done, tap on Create below. You have now successfully created a new business portfolio. Following these steps, you can easily make a business portfolio on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.